Midwest salmon fly. Is it a real salmon fly?
The salmon flies usually refer to some kind of stone fly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
So what did it look like? What color
Well,
was it?
it's the one with the orange head and the black body. The big ones.
Yeah,
You
I've
can't
heard.
catch anything.
I've heard of the eastern salmon fly.
The eastern salmon fly and the Midwest salmon fly. That's what I
Go
hear
through
of
the
it.
color again. What color was it?
Orange on the head, black body, big.
Black body.
Dark, orange head.
Well, I mean that's a, you know, it's a, you call it Californicus, I guess, if you want, but I mean it's a
It's a form of
Pteronarcis
stonefly.
of some kind. It's a big giant black stonefly.
Black
It's
stonefly.
the
It's a
same
big
one
one.
that you see here.
Is it
But
the same as
usually-
the western one?
Usually though, the bodies are orange. And
Underneath there was some orange.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
where
yeah.
orange.
No,
That's,
that
remember
is-
that the
that's
fish is
this one.
the fish
That's
is
a giant
looking
black.
up at the
That's what
insect.
it is.
It's
Giant
this
black.
guy's. What it
That
is.
it
So
is.
we tie the flies
That's
to
the same
imitate
insect. Now
the
that's
bottom of the fly.
That is not fully mature. They
Right.
will get bigger than
It'll be
that.
big, yeah.
They're 3-year insects. But the
Yeah.
point is that you just happen to be in there at that time.
I've never seen them that
They
big.
begin
Yeah.
emerging
Yeah.
in
It's
late
unusual.
spring
It's unusual
or
in
mid
Midwest.
spring, and they can emerge all year. I mean, you can have those come off in August, September, almost any
But they're
time.
usually pretty scrappy.
But usually it's a spring when the mature bugs that made it through the winter as mature insects want to come off because the water temperature gets to a temperature that they like.
Yeah. But the body would have been orange.
The body was orange underneath there. You could see it. It was a
Yeah.
lot of dark.
That
on
was
the
a giant
top.
black. Giant black.
And the fish wouldn't
dark
take.
was
I mean,
the
we just
wings.
could not get them to take. But they were taking everything else. They wouldn't take that.
Well, they
We
can
get
be
these-
stubborn, you know.
Yeah.
Never
But I
know.
had never seen so many of them before. But that's what that is.
So this was when with over a 2 or 3 day time frame. Then?
I fished 4 in a row.
And you saw them every day.
And
then?
every day. And it
Yeah,
was
that's highly unusual.
in the morning mostly, of course.
Yeah.
But
I mean, it's not unusual to see those on the rivers. It's
Right.
just unusual to see that many. Of
that
them.
many of them.
Maybe
right.
it's because the way the temperature warmed up quickly or
Yeah.
something.
Very
It must
unusual.
have something to do
80
with the
degree
temperature.
days, that period when there were 80
We had
degree
some
days.
real bruisers in
Yeah,
there.
that's
yeah.
what kicked it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's what kicked it up.
And
Yeah.
they have very, very prolific Hendrickson hatches down in that
Exactly.
lower water.
Right.
Oh, yeah,
That would clearly, in my opinion, overshadow that insect.
Right.
They
Yeah.
would
They
be
might not
much
hit a
more
stone
likely
at all,
to
no.
take a Hendrickson spinner or a Hendrickson emerging than they would the odd stonefly coming down.
Right. That was what was happening.